In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove access denied website in Google Chrome. Now, to show you guys, actually, this website can't be reached is similar to that of access denied. Depending on where you are in the world, it's going to be either of the two. So in my case, what I'm getting is this one here. The site can't be reached. Now, to solve this, it's actually going to be pretty simple. You just have to use a VPN. Now, with regards to the VPN, we have two things that we can use. We can either use a free VPN or a paid VPN. So regardless which one you're going to be using, it's actually going to be okay. So in my case, I have a paid VPN, so I'm going to be using that one. So I'm just going to use this one here and connect to Canada. All right, there you go. So now we have successfully connected to Canada. Let's go over here and let's just go ahead and refresh this one. There you go. So it did go through right away. Now take a look at, you don't have to use really US VPN for this one. This is state of Wisconsin in the United States. And as you can see, we are in here right now. So yeah, that is basically how you are going to get this done, everybody. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you have a good day. And if you found this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing down below. Also, feel free to share in the comments how this video has helped you.